Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Market Beast. It's been some time since we spoke of NEO. I'm going to give you guys a quick update. Going to look at the range, the level in which I would potentially become interested in buying into the market. Total transparency, I'm not invested in NEO. Just a quick update for the investors. And that's what we're going to do, guys. Give you a potential time frame. And yeah, we'll just look into it. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we explore price action. Welcome in all of our new subscribers. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? So today's December the 14th, 2021, and the previous close of NEO is going to be $33.66, slightly negative 1.7% for the day. Okay. The instrument is NIO, if that's useful. All right, guys, hopefully you're doing well. Here's the, we got a few lines here. Here it is. All right, so it's pretty simple. This is a lot more cluttered than I'm normally used to. NEO has lost its financial support back when we posted that video, March the 29th, 2021. So it has no longer been, the market has no longer been supported by the aggressive buyers. It's going through this consolidative phase where it's trying to figure out whether or not it's going to continue to the upside or just go sideways and potentially build up enough momentum to move to the downside. Now, the only reason that I have this green line here is typically it actually would go somewhere right around here. And that's actually $50. It's going to be the longevity line, but I decided not to put it there. And I just wanted to put the green line in which I would be interested in potentially entertaining a long position here. And that's at about $28 and about 24 cents. Okay. Doesn't mean I'll just start entering when the market gets there, but I'll definitely pull up my lower time frame charts and see if I can identify a buy-in opportunity. Long-term investors, please kindly pardon me as I speculate over this asset. I know a lot of people are long-term investing in this, and they say all you have to do is buy and hold. That's perfectly fine, guys. I don't buy and hold traditional stocks, so I'm just speculating on the levels here. Okay, so 28, 24 is my level of interest to pull up my charts to see if I can see anything there. Critical level is going to be here at the red line at about $25.61. If you see a NEO anywhere below that level, then NEO is probably in a position to move pretty lower. It all depends on the time frame and everything, guys. So a lot of things to take into consideration. Right now, what I'm seeing is a potential move higher. Sorry, excuse me. I'm seeing a potential move higher here in the short term. Let's give it a full 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, I'm seeing a move up to 38.52. So again, if I'm saying that I'm seeing a move higher, I'm simply predicting the trajectory. If it moves to the upside slightly, let's just say it goes to like 36, 38, doesn't quite make it up to that $38 level. That's fine. Doesn't mean I got it wrong. I'm just predicting the trajectory here in the short term within a week, 2 up to 3 weeks, because believe it or not, I'm actually seeing move lower inevitably on NEO. Believe it or not, that's why we haven't been talking about it. Excuse me. Other than, we just haven't been talking about it, guys. So the consolidation range, if you guys are new, we did post a video on this stock back in August 16th, 2021. Same consolidation range. At the time of the video, I think it was like $38. So it was still within the consolidation range. So I mean, technically speaking, it has broken out to the downside in this consolidation range. But if you really want to keep this simple, it's actually developing a pattern similar to a stock that I've seen before. It's actually Clorox. And basically what happened, I explained this on one of our last videos, but I'll briefly go over it again, guys, really quickly, and we'll wrap up the video. Now, if you're bullish and you're not open to, lower prices, then, that's what I'm going to discuss here on this video. Not because the market closed lower. Again, I'm expecting a move higher here in the short term, but followed by a rejection, okay? So I just want to kind of paint this picture one more time for you guys. Maybe some of you remember our video when we found the, it's called a bump and run. It's an inverted bump and run a bump and run formation pattern, top formation pattern. That's what it's called. Okay, this is basically what we were outlining on the last video. It's not a very aggressive. They're very aggressive patterns, but it's not behaving in the manner where it's breaking out very aggressively, if that makes sense. So again, I've seen this on Clorox, and basically what happens is it consolidates sideways. Okay, it finds a range just like that. Okay, And then eventually, when there's been enough accumulative sell orders accumulated, it just simply takes, it walks down that one stair step. Okay. And then it does the same thing for some time, consolidating. All right. As far as how far it's going to go down, guys, I'm not sure. If I had to just kind of choose a level, I would do something like this. Just simply pull out a range, very simple range, something like this, just like that. All right. So that's basically the current range. It'll be within the, in terms of the consolidative phase after the bearish breakout of the bump and run top formation pattern that we found. It's going to be $32 all the way up to the $50 level. So it's really simple what I do. I just clone that box, and then if it takes a stair step down, it'll be something of this gesture. Again, I've seen this before. It's not guaranteed to happen again, but this would be pretty sweet if I can make this call and it actually comes to fruition 6 months or, a year from today. So the next range down would be in between. Take it easy, bulls. Be open to volatility, okay? $13, and it's not guaranteed, right? Up all the way up to $31. That would be kind of the range. I realize it's kind of a very large range, but if you know what you're doing, you can actually capitalize when the market is range bound. Okay, it takes some time when it's actually range bound, so definitely be patient and open to the market going up and down. So it's been consolidating within this range for 286 days. All right, so almost a year. Again, this range right here, what we've already pointed out. And that's all I'm seeing for NEO, guys. I'm not seeing any real aggressive momentum to the upside. Just, again, a simple push higher followed by rejection to the downside. That's my prediction. Let me know what you think is going to happen down in the comment section. I'm always open to constructive criticism and being inaccurate, as I have been pretty inaccurate lately on my calls. So again, the comment section will always be open for you guys to leave that discussion down in the comment section, telling me how inaccurate this is. Or, later down the line, if it comes to fruition, leave me some feedback there. I really appreciate that, guys. So also, if it doesn't come to fruition, leave that information as well. So if you don't mind supporting the channel, that's the end of the video. So go ahead and leave in an appropriate thumb before you leave. I would truly appreciate it. Also, leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote this video and the channel. Thank you for your support. If you guys are new, we also explored the alternative markets, Bitcoin and altcoins. You can kindly subscribe with us at the bell. We'll send it out to you momentarily. Welcome in. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please always have a strategy. All right. Remember to always keep that positive energy flowing. We'll talk soon. And bye for now.